Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to empty your storage in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see here, I currently can see all my files that I have used recently under suggested. Here I can see all my folders where my files are grouped, and if I scroll down even more, I will find this options right here that will show me my files that are not grouped in any folder. So yeah guys, let's go back up here and let's say, as you can see, I have used a couple of gigabytes of storage right here and I want to clear up that storage so that I have more space left. How do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do is go look at the left side of the screen right here where you have multiple options that you can use, such as my drive, you can see your shared files, you can see your recent files and so on. What we want to do is go ahead and find this option right here called storage and open it. After clicking on storage guys, you can now see that here you can see all the files that you have in your Google Drive and how much space they are using. So guys, let's say that you want to clear up space. All you have to do is go ahead and click the files that you want to clear. You can even select multiple of them by holding the control button on your keyboard, and then you can select multiple options right here after you scroll down. As you can see, I can select any file that I want. So let's say this is the file that I want to delete that is using a lot of space on my storage. I can select all the files and then I can go right here and find the remove button. So guys, go ahead and click on remove, and now you will successfully remove the files and clear up storage space in your Google Drive, and you can do that as much as you want. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.